Welcome everyone in today's video. In today's video we will learn as usual some sentences in English and Marathi. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's see sentences. Today's video's first sentence is मी म्हटलं होतं जा. I had said you go. I had said you go. तुला पळण्याची गरज नाही. You don't need to run. You don't need to run. मी तुला लक्षात ठेवीन. I will keep you in mind. I will keep you in mind. इतर कुठेही जा. Go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. त्यांना जाऊ दे. Let them go. Let them go. त्यांनी आपल्याला आमंत्रण दिले. They invited us. They invited us. मला माहित नव्हते. I didn't know. I didn't know. त्याबद्दल मुळीच शंका नाही. There is no doubt at all in it. There is no doubt at all in it. तिच्यापासून लांब राहा. Stay away from her. Stay away from her. बाकी सगळं ठीक आहे. Everything else is okay. Everything else is okay. मला आणखी काही नको. I want nothing else. I want nothing else. माझा मोबाईल कुठे आहे? Where is my mobile? Where is my mobile? मी नाही घेतला. I didn't take. I didn't take. तिकडे शोध. Search there. Search there. ते बाहेर आण. Bring that out. Bring that out. मला लाल कलर आवडतो. I like red color. I like red color. तुला आठवतंय? Do you remember? Do you remember? हो, सगळं आठवतंय. Yes, all remember. Yes, all remember. तू तिला साथ का देते? Why are you supporting her? Why are you supporting her? कारण ती अनाथ आहे. Because she is an orphan. तुझा आवाज खूप छान आहे. Your voice is very nice. Your voice is very nice. ते एक शस्त्र आहे. That is a weapon. That is a weapon. मी व्यक्त करू शकत नाही. I can't explain. I can't explain. मी म्हटलं होतं. I had said. I had said. आणि सगळं तसंच झालं. And all happened like that. And all happened like that. आम्ही एकमेकांना ओळखत नाही. We don't know each other. We don't know each other. हे महत्वाचं आहे. It's very important. It's very important. तुला नाही वाटत? Don't you think? Don't you think? मला नाही वाटत. I don't think. I don't think. मी काहीही सांगत नाही. I'm not telling anything. I'm not telling anything. लांब जाऊ नको. Don't go away. Don't go away. काय होतं ते? What was that? What was that? बागेच्या बाजूला. Beside the garden. Beside the garden. तुला काय वाटते? What do you think? What do you think? तुला कसे माहित? How do you know? How do you know? मी ऐकले ती जागा खूप चांगली आहे. I heard that is good place. I heard that is good place. तुला वाटते मला माहित नाही? You think I don't know? You think I don't know? मला सगळं माहित आहे. I know everything. I know everything. मी तुला दुखावले असेल तर माफ कर. If I hurt you, please forgive me. If I hurt you, please forgive me. मी माफी मागते. I apologize. I apologize. नाही तसं काही. Not that like. Not that like. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care.